no dermatome. C1, no dermatome. अब बेटा C2 अपने बॉडी में हाथ रखो. C2, where is the C2? Yes, angle of the mandible. Where is the C2? Angle of the mandible. Can you tell me what is the name of this nerve? Great auricular nerve. What is the name? Great auricular nerve. अब बेटा हाथ को ऐसा करो. Yes, now you have to keep the hand in this manner below the angle of mandible. C3, C4, C5. What I'm telling you? Yes, C3, C4, C5. What is the name of this nerve? Because above the clavicle, that's why. Very good. Supraclavicular nerve. Yes, the same root value is having the phrenic nerve. Do you remember the singer? Yes, 3, 4, 5. Its diaphragm LI. So what is the root value of the phrenic nerve? C3, C4, C5. Got the point? So whenever there is an inflammation in the diaphragm, like in the case of the liver or the spleen, the pain of the spleen will go to the supraclavicular region. Yes, on the left side spleen and on the right side bundle liver. That's why we will study in the surgery Kegler's sign. You have to study one Kegler's sign. In case of the splenic rupture, the pain of the spleen is felt over the left tip of the shoulder. Got the point? Why? Because the supraclavicular nerve and the phrenic nerve both are having same root value. Got the point? Yes. चलो बेटा उसके बाद आपने C3, C4, C5 रखा. Now C5 is extending up to the yes अपने बॉडी में करो lateral to the of the arm. Then C6 lateral to the of the forearm. तो बताओ बेटा thumb C6. Then next two fingers. Then last two fingers. Yes. Remember the dermatomes are overlapping in nature. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बॉर्डर लाइन किस दे और वहीं पर रहना. Yes, they are overlapping in nature. So different book will say different thing. Okay, this is the C6, this is C7, this is C8. But few book will mention this is C6, this is C7, and this is the different book will mention different. But what you have to follow? C6, C7, C8. Now T1. Tell me where is the T1? Yes, ulnar border of the forearm. Then T2, ulnar border of the arm, which is extending up to the intercostal space. Okay, what is the clinical correlation? Whenever there is an angina or MI, the pain will be referred into the along the ulnar border of the forearm and the ulnar border of the arm. Then it will extend, it will into the precordial region also. So can you tell me the nipple is supplied by which dermatome? Yes, T4. Your answer is the T4. Then T5, then T6, then T7. What is the MCQ of the T7? Yes. Inferior angle of scapula. Can you tell me any viscera which is supplied by the T7? T7? Gallbladder. Very good. Gallbladder. Okay? Gallbladder. Then after the T7, T8 and T9. Then T10 is important. Yes, tell me T10. Very good. Umbilical. So tell me three viscera which are supplied by the T10 visceral nerve. Yes, very good. Negative. Second. Small intestine. Third. Gonads. Gonads means testes and ovaries. Got the point? So these are T10. अब बेटा उसके बाद T11 and T12. Not important. But L1. बोलो बेटा L1. Inguinal region. What is the name of the nerve? Inguinal nerve. What is the clinical importance? Inguinal hernia surgery. It may get entrapped. Okay. After that, L2, L3, L4. There you will say L2, L3, L4. Front of the eye. Which nerve? Inguinal nerve. इसीलिए बेटा yes, knee jerk value. Knee jerk is by the L2, L3, L4 femoral nerve and the same value. Then L4 is extending up to the middle side of the foot. And after that L5. Then S1. S1 is important. What is the name of this nerve? Very good. Sural nerve. Got the point? Then this S1, S2, they are extending up to the tendon. That's why the ankle jerk root value S1, S2. Okay, then S3, S4, S5. S3, S4, S5. Where? Here. बेटा फिजियोलॉजिकली देखो बहुत बड़े सर्कल है. 4 important जर्क. कौन-कौन से 4 important जर्क? See here. Ankle jerk. Okay. Knee jerk. Biceps jerk. Triceps jerk. एकदम easy सर्कल. How can you remember this root value? Then just see S1, S2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. देखो बेटा ऐसे याद रखना. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. S1, S2. एंकल जर्क जो नदी जहां रहती है, जहां बहती है, उस एरिया को सप्लाई करती है. देखिए which dermatome nerve here? S1. Which nerve is there? Tibial nerve. Which muscle is supplied by this nerve? Tendon Achilles, strongest tendon of the body. We will hear the story of the Achilles. You know Troy movie? Achilles. We will see later. So 1, 2. S1, S2. Then 3, 4. Neither. 3, 4. Neither. Which nerve? Femoral nerve. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 5, 6 there. Do you remember? C5, C6. Hilton law. C5, C6. 5, 6 there. Then 7, 8. Radial nerve is having all the roots of the brachial plexus, but here the triceps main component are yes C7, C8. Got the point? So this is the correlation of the dermatome with the medicine, with the surgery, with the your physiology and all the various clinical subjects. How can you remember this important reflex? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got the point? Okay. So now we are going to see what is the concept of the referred brain.